If your Freebird shaver is having power or blade problems, most issues can be fixed with simple maintenance and a few quick checks. If the shaver won't turn on or feels weak even after charging, start with a hard reset. Hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds while it's plugged in. This often clears minor internal glitches. If performance still feels weak, recalibrate the battery by letting it drain completely, then charge it uninterrupted for 4 to 6 hours. Also, clean the charging contacts with a cotton swab and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to ensure proper connection. Charging problems are often caused by faulty USB-C cables, so try a different cable and adapter. Make sure you're charging at room temperature, since extreme heat or cold can affect battery performance. For blade issues like pulling, clogging, or uneven cuts, regular cleaning is essential. Rinse the head after every use, and shake out excess water. Once a week, do a deeper clean with a brush and alcohol to remove buildup. Apply clipper oil monthly to keep moving parts running smoothly, and replace the blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on how often you shave. Store the shaver in a dry, ventilated place with a protective cap on to prevent moisture damage. Consistent daily, weekly, and monthly care dramatically extends battery life and blade performance, helping your shaver run like new for years.